Il est important d'impliquer autant d'intervenants que possible dans un projet, y compris les bailleurs de fonds, les responsables gouvernementaux, les institutions de l'ONU et les autres ONG. Mais les femmes, les hommes et les enfants touchés par l'urgence sont prioritaires. La redevabilité consiste à s'assurer qu'ils puissent exprimer leurs opinions, influencer la conception et la mise en place du projet et dire quels résultats ils souhaitent obtenir.
What we normally do is when we first go to the new area, we'll consult local administration. And then through the local government administration, we'll approach community leaders. When we say community leaders, clan leaders, religious leaders, elders. Using these people, we will have a chance to talk to ordinary people, not leaders, not church leaders, not clan leaders. And when we discuss with communities, we use different techniques like participatory rural appraisal techniques, including focus group discussion, one-to-one kind of interview, a lot of PRA techniques.
কারিতাসের লোকজন আমাদের ওখানে গেলে মুন্ডা পাড়ায় যায়, তারপরে আমাদের মুন্ডাদের ডেকে আমাদের সবার ডেকে শুনলো তোমাদের এই ভিতরে কার ঘর ক্ষতি কি অন্য দিক থেকে অসহায় বা কীভাবে আসুন এখানে, মানে আর সেই সব শুনলো, শোনার পরে তারপরে আমাদের ঘরে লিস্ট তৈরি করলো সবাই, মানে সবাই মিলে সব যাতে যাতে দেয়ার যায়।
What we learn is that they know what are the problems in the area. Even they know what are the means to overcome that problem. So it is a process of learning from one in each other.
The challenge engaging communities into this is that usually the expectations from the community are very much related to the results or the products that you are supposed to deliver. But when it comes to reflecting more and thinking more on the process and the quality of our interaction and the analysis and the definition of needs, is something that doesn't come out easily from the community. And that's why we have to put more effort on asking what exactly the community should like to know.
এই কর্মীদেরকে বলতেছি সিএসবির দ্বারা যে কাজ করেন কমিটির কাছে একটু জিজ্ঞাসা করে, তারা তো ছোট অল্প বয়সী ছেলেমেয়েরা বোঝে না, সবার জন্য জানাই করে এই কাজটা।
কমিটির সাথে পিআরসির সাথে তারা মালাতে তার বাজেট প্রকল্প পূর্ণ করার
জন্য একটু জানাই,
দুই একদিন আগে তাদেরকে জানিয়ে দিয়ে তাদের সঙ্গে বসিয়ে যে কী মালগুলো আমরা এখানে দেবো বা কীভাবে ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন হবে সেগুলোটা কমিটির সাথে আলোচনা করাটা মানে আমার ভালো হবে।
We have to be very transparent to the community and we have to tell our capacity, including the budget we generate from what we call donor. We are highly transparent, telling them that there are different problems in the area and you need to prioritize which problem we can address by this budget. And we search out together, not only as World Vision.
If you provide full information to the community, you know, they are empowered. So information gives them comfort to come back to you with their suggestions and decisions. You know, it gives them a space to come up with their own decisions.
In the areas where we took the initiative, not only the initiative, the decision by ourselves, we always fail. The beneficiaries know better than us about their need. And if we say like jerrycan distribution, they know what type of jerrycans they need. They may not need jerrycans, they may need some other water containers. They know their felt need and they should be the one who should tell us what kind of activities we should implement.
En Éthiopie, une infection de l'eau potable causait un nombre croissant de cas de diarrhée aqueuse aiguë. Oxfam a collaboré avec les communautés affectées pour comprendre le problème et aider les villageois à creuser des puits dans les zones touchées.
Accountability is very critical in this emergency project because we are serving the community. We are serving the community with their interests, with their needs, with their felt needs, with their decision. And we are coming in to support them the way they want us to support them. And they are the main decision makers. What we do is we come in, work with them, listen to them, they identify the problems with them based on their decision, and we go on implementing projects that they feel would eliminate or solve their own problems. So accountability is very, very important, you know, because otherwise the project will not be sustainable, because they have to own it. They have to sense that it is their project, that they wanted to solve their own problems. My message is one and only one, that is, listen to the community. The communities know their problems. They know how to solve their problems more than anybody, more than an expert from outside. They have also got a capacity. Simply because they are deprived of something, you cannot consider them like helpless.